Changing your bank account on Levity.ai is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Levity.ai website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Payment Information or Billing section. This is where you can manage your bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account details, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new bank account is registered. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account on Levity.ai will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.